Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Legend Essential 3 men's training shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, Brazil size 42, and it's in the Obsidian, Armoury Navy, Golden Moss, Arctic Orange colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. And let's lift out the left shoe first and focus on it. So just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the table and giving you a look at the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the men's training shoe. And now taking a close-up look at the details of the shoe. So you can see the overall blue colorway on the upper, and it does have a mesh with a wear resistant honeycomb design, and we can see some additional wear panels or layers around the outer or little toe area. And as we move towards the middle or midfoot area or quarter of the shoe, we see a partially hidden Nike swoosh with a raw type of embroidered or stitched design. And as we move towards the back of the shoe, we can see another panel which appears to be synthetic leather. And taking a look at the shoe from the back, giving you a sense of its overall shape from the heel. And on the inner side of the shoe, so you can see overall it does have a very low profile design and low cut top as well. And taking once again a close-up look at the details on the inner side of the shoe, once again we see the overall honeycomb mesh upper with once again a Nike embroidered on the inner side. So giving you that all-round look. Of the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. And now taking a close-up look from the tip or front of the shoe towards the back. And at the ankle or heel collar of the shoe, and of course the tongue as well. So taking a look at the tongue and the lace design. So the tongue does have a light to medium level of padding, and just puffing up the shoe slightly so you can see the shoe in a little bit more detail. And taking a look at the ankle and heel collar of the shoe, so very thickly padded with light to medium density padding inside of the ankle and heel collar. So giving you a look right there. And of course taking a look at the inside details of the shoe, the lining as well as behind the tongue. So let's take a look behind the tongue so you can see the details right there. On the back of the tongue label, and of course the material sticker, and the overall details of the insole and lining of the shoe as best I can. And now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. So we can see it does have a wavy light traction pattern with several flex grooves around the forefoot and midfoot area. And we can see that molded Nike swoosh in the arch of the sole, and towards the back once again we see that wave-like traction pattern. And we can see that the sole consists of some specs which indicate the Nike grind materials have been used for sustainability. And to give you some sense of the sole of the shoe, its grippiness or firmness, just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping on the various parts. And it does have a high density midfoot foam in white, and you can hear that difference to the sound. When I tap my finger on the various parts, so you can see right there just pushing down on that white mid-foam part of the shoe. And the harder traction part of the sole in black or Obsidian. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the flexibility or responsiveness of the shoe. And just puffing the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe to the side and in the background so it doesn't interfere, as we would bring the shoebox back in frame to reveal the right side of the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. So now giving you a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have once again a full and clear look at the training shoe or gym shoe. And just puffing the shoe back in shape. And taking a close-up look at the details. So once again we see that high durability, honeycomb mesh upper and some hybrid looking lacing design, and of course the medium density plush ankle and heel collar, and that lightweight but puffy tongue and its padding. And once again, taking a look inside, we can see completely dark navy, or Armoury Navy as the colorway states. And taking a look at the outer side of the shoe, we can see that midfoot foam structure right throughout in white. And of course the obsidian or black sole and outsole. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. And directly from the back. And of course the soles or bottoms of the shoes. So that's the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. Thanks for watching and happy training!